Hey guys, I am here to do a quick video for you. And this is for the ZITRADES light, and it's a 10-watt outdoor security LED floodlight. And it's an energy saver. The model is IP66, and it basically is a security light. It has this piece here so that you can mount it, and then once it's mounted you can actually move it around and adjust where you have it pointed. And it comes with a remote that you can use to turn it on, and you can dim it. You can make it brighter, you can change the color, and I'm not going to do a lot of these colors because I know that lights are a seizure hazard, so we're not going to do that on the video because I don't want to risk any of you guys. So it's a 10 watt, beaming angle 120. Energy saving, long life, 500,000, only LED, waterproof. Now, the box information has been changed. As you can see here, sorry about that change of angle. Having some technical issues. So anyway, this box, as you can see here, has the AC crossed out and DCM put in there. So I think that's DCM. I can't really read the writing, and I don't know anything about lights. So the old man said that we can't use this just wired inside the house, because that's what we were going to do, was use it under the stairs. So here is just a close-up. You have you can do flashing, strobing, fades, and smooth. Straight white light. You've got blue, green, purple. Like, it does all of these different color lights. And this is your on-off and your brightness down and brightness up. And the light itself is really, really well made. And we actually have it hooked to a car battery right now for this video, so that I can show you how it works. But that is our quick video here about this light. Definitely make sure you check what version it is that you're ordering, because this version, I'm being told we can't use because it's not AC. I don't know. So definitely I will put the link for this product down in the description, and thanks for watching. Bye.